Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you some of the top use cases for Magical AI and how you can scrape any website for free using AI. If you're interested in trying it out, there's a link in the description below to start using Magical right away. First things first, what exactly is Magical? Magical is an AI-powered productivity tool designed to eliminate repetitive tasks and save you time. Whether you're sending emails, filling out forms, or managing data entry, Magical helps you automate these processes with just a few clicks. It works by capturing information from web pages you visit and using it to autofill templates or forms, making tasks like sending personalized messages or transferring data incredibly easy. Teams across various industries like sales, customer support, marketing, and recruitment use Magical to streamline their workflows. For example, sales teams use it to quickly send outreach messages or track leads. Customer support teams use it to handle frequently asked questions with saved response templates. Even in recruiting, Magical helps automate outreach to potential candidates and organize their information into databases like Google Sheets or CRMs. What's great about Magical is that it integrates seamlessly into your existing workflow. It's a browser extension that works directly within the websites and apps you already use, like LinkedIn, Gmail, Salesforce, and more. This means you don't have to switch between tools or deal with complicated setups. You can also use Magical to create personalized templates for emails or messages, and even use AI to generate content on the spot. And it's not just about sending messages. You can also automate data entry, extracting important details like names, job titles, and contact information from websites, and automatically adding them to your CRM, spreadsheets, or ATS systems. In short, Magical is a tool designed to help you work smarter, not harder. By automating repetitive tasks, it frees up your time so you can focus on more important things. To get started, head to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Magical, and once you find it, click Add to Chrome. A small pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Just click Add Extension. After it's installed, you'll need to authenticate your account. You can do this by logging in with your Google account or another email. Once that's done, pin the extension to your browser for easy access. Pinning it makes it easier to use across various websites and apps without hassle. Now, let's dive into the features. First, we're going to create our first messaging template. Open a new tab and click the Magical icon in your browser bar. This will bring you to your Magical workspace. On this page, you'll see your personal workspace, where all your templates will be stored. On the left sidebar, you'll find any teams you've joined, so you can share templates and collaborate. To create a template, click the Create button. First, assign your template a trigger word or phrase. This keyword will act as a mnemonic device, making it easier for you to quickly recall your message when you need it. For example, if your template is related to a special promotion, you might choose a phrase like Spring Sale or Customer Appreciation. When you encounter the trigger, it will instantly remind you of the content and context of the message, streamlining your workflow and enhancing your productivity. Using descriptive or unique trigger phrases can also help differentiate between similar templates, ensuring you select the correct one without confusion. Consider creating a list of trigger words for various templates to reference later, helping you maintain organization in your communication strategies. Start drafting your message and be sure to use placeholder text. For example, if you're doing outreach on LinkedIn, you might want to include placeholders for details like the recipient's first name or their company. This is because Magical will autofill this information for you based on the web page you're currently on. Let's walk through an example. Imagine you're on LinkedIn and you're reaching out to marketing managers. Open several profiles of your target audience in separate tabs. You can send connection requests or personal notes by typing your trigger or typing //. This pulls up a list of your saved templates. Magical will detect key details on the page, like the recipient's name or company, and autofill them into your message with just one click. This method works not only on LinkedIn, but also across other platforms like Gmail, Outlook, and more. Magical can read the information on the page you're visiting, whether it's a name, company, or other key details, and suggest them for use in your message. If you're someone who sends a lot of cold outreach messages, this feature alone can save you tons of time and information. Now, let's talk about how you can use AI to help you create these templates. Click Create, just like before. Assign your trigger, but this time use the AI feature to generate your message. Type in a few details about what you want the message to say, and Magical's AI will draft the message for you. This is great when you need to send multiple messages, but don't want to spend too much time crafting each one manually. You can even do this directly in Gmail when replying to emails. Let's say you're replying to a customer email. Once the email is open, use the same trigger system or type // to bring up your templates. Choose a response type, whether you want a positive, neutral, or custom reply, and Magical will generate a message that fits your tone and situation. You can review and make minor edits, then hit send. Another key feature of Magical is its ability to automate data entry. This is particularly useful if you work with large data sets or databases like Google Sheets, CRMs, or ATS systems. For example, say you're transferring data from LinkedIn into a CRM like Salesforce. Instead of copying and pasting information manually, Magical can do it for you. Here's how it works. While you're on a LinkedIn profile, Magical can extract key details like the person's name, job title, company, and location, and automatically populate those fields into your CRM. Once connected, you can set up rules for what information should go where. Then, whenever you're browsing LinkedIn or any other site, Magical will automatically extract and input the data with a single click. This is especially helpful if you're working with a team, as you can share templates and data entry workflows across your organization, ensuring that everyone is using the same process. This promotes consistency and accuracy in data collection, reducing the risk of errors that can arise from individual variations. Additionally, centralized workflows facilitate better collaboration, as team members can easily access the same resources, provide feedback, and make updates in real time. Ultimately, this streamlined approach enhances overall productivity and allows your organization to respond more efficiently to changing needs. Magical is a powerful tool that transforms repetitive tasks into quick, automated actions. It enables you to create messaging templates, use AI to generate personalized messages, and even automate data entry into your preferred tools such as CRMs, spreadsheets, and email platforms. Whether you're reaching out to potential clients, following up with customers, or managing large datasets, Magical simplifies these workflows. Its intuitive interface and flexible integrations allow you to save time, reduce errors, and stay focused on high-value tasks, ultimately boosting your productivity and efficiency across various activities. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, be sure to check the link in the description below to start using Magical right away.